I initially came in, heard the spiel, got the homework, thought it was nuts. Turned out it worked, and it worked great. I have no pain. Thank you, Dr. Gamerman.
I came in to see Dr. Gamerman about 8 weeks ago. My neck was hurting. I had a headache and clicking and all that in my jaw. It was about 8 weeks ago or so, and now I feel great. Thank you.
Hey, here we are a couple months later. Been working out with, obviously, the doctor. Things are significantly improved. I've been here for probably 10 to 12 visits. Each time it's kind of gotten progressively better. You kind of go through a little worse and a little better, and then you have a breakthrough day, and then the breakthrough day is really good. And I'm super glad that I came, and if you don't come, then you're missing out, because he's certainly going to help you. So do yourself a favor and stop on by. Dr. Gamerman, thanks.
Hi, my name's Tony. I was in a severe car accident to where I wasn't able to open up my jaw all the way. My lawyer sent me to Dr. Gamerman, and within 4 weeks, I was perfect. I followed exactly what he said, and in no time, I was better. Thank you, Dr. Gamerman, for doing exactly a great job.
Hello, my name's John Bailey. I was involved in an auto accident involving a big rig rear-ended me in a Honda Accord. The doctor referred me over to Dr. Gamerman, my primary, and I had bad jaw pain and neck pain, and after a few weeks working with Dr. Gamerman, he completely 100% healed my jaw and my neck. Thank you, Dr. Gamerman. I appreciate it, and I will be telling everybody else about you.
I was in a car accident, and I had a lot of injury done to my jaw, and I was referred to a doctor by the name of Dr. Gamerman, and I thank God for him, because I've been to a lot of specialists. I've had TMJ before, but all they did was give me a pill and sent me home. But Dr. Gamerman, following his instructions, gave me certain things to do. I followed them, and today I can open up my mouth wide. And I thank him so much for that. And so I tell you all, go and see Dr. Gamerman. Have a good day.
Hello. I'm one of Dr. Gamerman's patients. I was in a very bad accident, and I came to him, and I found him to be a very, very caring doctor. He showed concern and great care, was very patient, spoke with me what I'm to do and what I wasn't to do. He told me the things that I need to do to improve my healing, and as I did what he said, I began to heal more. I have a special care for him because he really is the real thing. He's a true doctor that loves his patients and is concerned about their well-being. He's very thorough, and what I like about him, when he comes in to talk with you, you feel like you're the only patient he has. That's the concern that he shows for you. And I would recommend him to anybody. I talk about him now. I'm going to get his card, some cards to pass around just in case I find someone that was in my shape. I was really in bad shape. But today, I'm so much better. So much so until this will be my last visit. Thank you.
I came in to see Dr. Gamerman a few months ago, and the services have been awesome. I had excruciating headaches. I couldn't sleep at night. He told me what to do. He told me how to lay, and I followed through, and everything is perfect. I'm 100%. Thank you, Dr. Gamerman. I would recommend anyone for your services. Thank you so much.
Gamerman, and I was feeling really, really bad. I had severe pain in the head, on my neck, my shoulders, but I'm telling you, first, he is so great. Once you get to his office, he makes you feel so comfortable, so welcome, and then he gets to the treatment. He's so easy to talk to, and he's wonderful with his treatment. You have a massage on your head, massage on your ears, so he's just so great. Now I feel much, much better. I do not complain of headache anymore. I no longer have headache. I no longer have pain on my neck, on my shoulder. I feel so great, and thank you, Dr. G.
Hi, I'm Jeremy Brown. This is my first visit here with Dr. Gamerman. Just wanted to see what it was about. I heard about it There's a big difference in the type of doctor that he is compared to others, just based on the hands-on treatment that you get. It isn't somebody just slapping you on a machine, but he actually gets in there and asks questions and spent, a better part of an hour with me going over everything. So I'm excited to see what the treatment does, but definitely a difference being here, and you should check it out.
Dr. Gamerman, the best doctor. I came in feeling so bad and worn out, and my body was in so much pain, but now I feel 100% better. Dr. Gamerman, I recommend him to anybody.
Dr. Gamerman is great. You should come visit his office. He knows exactly what he's doing, and you'll leave out feeling much better than what you came in.
I got hurt at work in February. I was referred to Dr. Gamerman's office. I've been coming to him for a while. He gave me a teeth guard for my mouth. He done some treatment and told me things to do to get myself better. At this point, now that it is July, I've been getting much, much better, and today I'm discharged.
Victoria, I'm a patient at Dr. Gamerman's office. I was in a car accident, and I had headaches, jaw pain, and I was in therapy for 3 weeks. Dr. Gamerman is a good doctor. He helped me out real good. He's a loving, caring doctor. I recommend him to anybody.
Dr. Gamerman and his office were terrific. I'm feeling all the way back to where I was prior to my accident, so I would recommend him to anybody, and my jaw is so much better.
And I've been here to see Dr. Gamerman. I was in an accident, and I have to say, he really fixed me up. I was tight through here, and we went through some changes, and he did some exams and some treatments, and I'm great, and I'm thankful.
My name's Greg, and I'm a police officer in Frederick, Maryland. I was involved in a automobile collision on duty and received some trauma to my jaw. Came down to see Dr. Gamerman here, and wow, everything's fixed. I did everything he told me to do, the therapy, go home and do the exercises, and they really work. Standing here, and I'm glad to say that I don't have to come back anymore. I'm feeling great. Do what the doctor tells you, and it'll work. You'll get fixed.
Hi. My name is Jessica Martin. I was in a car accident last October, and my orthopedist, I called my attorney, and my orthopedist that they sent me to referred me over to Dr. Gamerman for my issues with the TMJ. I had headaches, jaw pain, shooting pain, ringing headaches, all sorts of awful stuff. But Doc and his staff were really good, really patient. They communicated really well with both me and my attorneys, and they got me better.
I'm back. It's my second kind of like a follow-up video. I came in before for a work-related injury to my face, neck, and jaw. The puzz work, just keep doing what the doc says. I now feel great. I don't have the headaches anymore. My motion's great. I told a bunch of guys at work, I'm a police officer. They all thought I was crazy, but they ended up coming back to me and telling me that it actually works. So listen to the doc. I've got several people at work now that kind of chuckle about it, but we keep doing our puzz, and it helps with the stress, but also helps with relaxing everything in your face and your neck, and everything just feels great afterwards. So keep it up.
Hi, I was involved in an accident. My lawyer recommended me to see Dr. Gamerman. I've been treated. He did a really great job. I feel free of all my injuries.
Hi, I am a patient of Dr. Gamerman's. I am beyond satisfied. I can't even make you understand. When I first got here about a month ago, I was suffering from blinding headaches, shoulder pain, neck pain, back pain. It was horrible. I never thought I would see the day that I say that Dr. Gamerman healed me. I feel so good through behavioral modification and different relaxation exercises. I feel good. I would definitely come back to see him, and I would recommend him to anybody. I am beyond satisfied. I am serious. I am beyond satisfied. So if you're experiencing any of the symptoms that I just named, I highly suggest you come and see him.
I would like to appreciate Dr. Gamerman for treating me when my first day I was in pain because I was assaulted in my place of, I'm a correctional officer. I was assaulted by inmates When I came here, I had bruises and pain all over my jaw and my mouth. But right now, I'm 100% okay. I want to appreciate Dr. Gamerman for treating me. God bless you. And I would like to refer other patients who have similar pain to come over to Dr. Gamerman and receive their 100% treatment. Thank you.
I'm a former patient of Dr. Gamerman. Dr. Gamerman is a wonderful, wonderful doctor. He has great bedside manner, patient courtesy. I came in here in severe pain in my jaw and neck. Dr. Gamerman diagnosed it, gave me prescriptions. The therapist worked on it, and now look at me. I'm really doing good thanks to Dr. Gamerman.
Hi, my name is Lakia. I was in an auto accident about a month ago, and I was referred to Dr. Gamerman. He's great. He's funny. He gave me some great tips to get me better, and I am A1. Thanks, Dr. Gamerman.
I was a patient with Dr. Gamerman. I had an accident where I was experiencing severe headaches and a pain in the jaw. And I received treatment for about a month and a half, and the results were great. I feel much better, no more headaches. I don't have to take any more medication for headaches. The staff here are awesome, very supportive, and willing to work with your schedule. So he was great.
Hello, I'm Jasmine. I was one of Dr. Gamerman's patients. I was involved in a work-related injury last month, and I was going to physical therapy for weeks, and nothing helped. I was still in a lot of pain. I was still having the same issues that I was having when the accident first occurred. The doctor there, he referred me to Dr. Gamerman, and I started coming to Dr. Gamerman. He's a really good doctor, really nice. We've gone over several different exercises. He also gave me a list of things to do to help with my jaw pain and my headaches. And now I am cured. Dr. Gamerman is great. Thank you.
I'm 59 years old. I'm a retired Baltimore City police officer. I was rear-ended in a car accident over 2 months ago. I wasn't able to eat hard foods. I had trouble with my jaw opening and closing. I had a clicking in the right side of my jaw, severe headaches in my temples. I came to Dr. Gamerman, and after almost 2 months of therapy and listening to what I was told to do, I could open my mouth wide, no problems chewing, no pain. All my problems have disappeared. It's a wonderful doctor, it's a wonderful experience, and the staff is wonderful. It was a great experience, and I feel great.
Good morning. My name is Cornelius Parham. I want to tell you about a doctor that I've been seeing for almost a year. His name is Dr. Gamerman. I want you to know that when you're in pain and you're suffering and you're going through all sorts of things, Dr. Gamerman is the person to see. Because see, when I came in here almost a year ago, I was really messed up, bumped, bruised, and battered, completely shattered. Things were just not working well. Now I'm on the road to recovery. Had it not been for Dr. Gamerman, I don't know where I would have been. So if you need to see somebody that's the best, somebody that can help your head, neck, and back, and all the things that hurt you, he is the man.
He's a great doctor, so we recommend him to anybody.
Good. All right. If you have any pain, head area, jaw, your teeth, your neck, Dr. Gamerman is the man. He can work it all out for you because he did wonders with me, and I really appreciate it.
And I was experiencing major headaches. Came here, Dr. Austin fixed me in one treatment. I'm no longer experiencing headaches, but my jaw's still shaky, but other than that, I'm good.
I was in a car accident, a real bad one. And thanks to Dr. Gamerman, he made me better, and I really appreciate everything he's done for me.
I was in a car accident, came to Dr. Gamerman after 3 short visits. I'm doing much, much, much better. He's highly recommended.
And I was a patient with Dr. Gamerman. I came here, had jaw pain and toothache, but he helped me. He's a great doctor. I recommend him anytime, anytime. Thank you.
In an automobile accident, my jaw was hurting. I had headaches. It was hard eating and stuff. Then my physical therapist recommended me to Dr. Gamerman, and he worked his magic. And now I'm healed.
My name is Earl. I was involved in a serious truck accident. Had neck and pain in my jaws. The doc took care of me for 6 weeks, and I'm all well. 100% again, and I can eat steak. Thank you very much, Doc.
My name is Mike. I was involved in a car accident. My chiropractor sent me to Dr. Gamerman, and in a few treatments, he had me feeling much better and rid of the headaches and jaw pain. The doc's awesome.
And I had an accident, fell, hit my head, man, and I was all messed up. Head, mouth, man, I mean, all messed up. Temples, back of my neck, everything. I went down to see Dr. Gamerman, man, and I had forgot some things. You know, I came at first and I got a little mixed up, you know, because he had gave me some paperwork, and but my mind being like it was, but we got it all together, and I came back to see him, and he sent me back to therapy, and wow, I mean, this guy is just awesome. He sent me back to these people, and these people done some work on me. That boy, I'm telling you, this man here, you need to come see him, because for real, he's the truth. He's really the truth. Yes, he is.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I went to Dr. Gamerman's office and he healed me real good. I had a jaw contusion on both sides. He took care of me very well. Also had some headaches and dizziness, and came for treatment for about 3 weeks, and then I was back to work in no time. You need to come down and see him.
Hey everybody, came to Dr. Gamerman, have TMJ issues, grinding my teeth, whiplash from the job. Been here about 2 months. Dr. Gamerman gave me some insight on how I could get rid of that pain I was having in my jaw. He told me to do something called a PUD, and it feels kind of stupid. After resisting and not really following his orders, I started to follow him. Not only did I have relief in my jaw, but it actually puts me to sleep. It got rid of my pain. Dr. Gamerman is an awesome therapist, a great dentist, and he gave me some insight that has helped me, and I think it'll help me for the rest of my life. Come see Dr. Gamerman.
Yes, so I was hurt at work about 2 months ago. So I went to my personal doctor and he referred me to Dr. Gamerman. I came in here, I was really taken good care of. You know, Dr. Gamerman knows his work and he does it very well. You know, so I will definitely refer anybody I know to Dr. Gamerman because he knows what he's doing.
Hi, my name is Todd Crawford. I am what you call a TMJ guy. Long story short, when I was 13, I suffered a blow to my jaw, which led to a click in my jaw, which I thought was entertaining at the time. And I entertained a number of people. I grossed out a lot of people. Unbeknownst to me, I did not know it was a serious issue. Years down the line, I went through the mouthpiece, and I spent God knows how many thousands of dollars to get it checked out, and I didn't have a major problem. However, periodically, I had discomfort in my jaw. About 10 years ago, I met this fine gentleman named Dr. Stephen Gamerman, and out of curiosity, he's a TMJ guy, I have it, and I said, hey, I want to talk to you. He said, well, what do you do? I said, I'm an investigator. He said, well, yes, there's an issue right there with anxiety and stress. I'm like, I've never figured that out. And we got to a conversation, and it ended there. Never had much issue with the pain or discomfort, but then I started to have issues about 5 years later. I saw him again, like I see him all the time. I got to talk to him. He likes to talk to people. I said, you know what? I'm having some issues. I don't think it's serious, but I don't know what to do about it. He took me on the side. He said, I'm going to show you something simple, something inexpensive, and now, what you're getting for free. I'm like, I'm here. Breathing exercises. Relax, puff. I did these exercises, I guess for about a week, and I realized the discomfort just disappeared. Again, we're back to the short story from the long. We reunite this year, 2015. I tell them, you know what? Periodically, when I'm having a stressful day, maybe there's a little tension there, I walk off to the side or sit down, I do the exercise, it takes 5 minutes, and I'm worry-free. So for that, I thank you, Dr. Stephen Gamerman, and for all you folks out there, if you think it's too good to be true, and most of the time it is, you know what? Check it out first. What do you have to lose?
Hi, my name is Alice Tolliver, and I was in an accident, and I would had an accident, and the man hit me from the back, and I didn't realize that I had hit the steering wheel, and I had this real bad headache, and I had went to the doctors like a couple of times, and he sent me to Dr. G, and I went to see Dr. G one time, and I am feeling much better. So I recommend you to go and see him, because he understood the pain that I was going through, and he understood what to do with me. And the things that he told me to do was very simple. So thank you, Dr. G.